What's up guys, Thomas here, TpParts RcXtreme at the workshop. Been sanding and polishing real hard for the last couple of days here. All turnbuckles, drive shafts, CVDs, spur gear, pinions, all aluminum parts. These were one of the hardest parts. As you can see, there are still some small scratches, but the truck's gonna be used real hard. I'd say it's a shelf basher chassis. It's quite good. HPI Ford body. The car was used, barely used actually, and a big shout out to Nicklas Fornell, FornellRC, to let me get this car from him. Couldn't be done without you, buddy. So I'm super stoked about this. So it's time for me to put it back together, and we will see how it turns out.